Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Belly. Happy birthday to you. Blow this tambourine and make a wish. We love you, Belly. Your smile is still fresh in my memories, Belly. Like, मुझे मिठो जस्तो लाग्छ कि हामीसँगै नगरकोटको टावरसम्म हिँडेको हाम्रो पागलपन अनि हाम्रो मस्ती गरेको बाथरुममा गएको boys toilet छ Belly, remember? You may not be here, Belly, but our hearts are forever connected. I want to thank you for being my friend. You gave me some very precious memories to cherish, Belly. Thank you for letting me call you my friend. Thank you for trusting in me when I didn't trust myself. Thank you for believing in me when I lost all hope. You believed me. You believed in me as a friend, shared your deepest, darkest secrets with me. You shared your insecurities, your doubts. You never judged me, Belly. You never judged me when I came to you crying a mess. You have helped me when I was lost, and I hoped I did the same for you too. Knowingly and unknowingly, you have always been there for me, Belly. Always, you have been like the extra support I needed, like the push I needed to do something I would have never done. Our friendship is very special to me. I wouldn't trade it for anything in this world, even for being the president of America. I know, it's natak samay. Okay, once again, happy birthday, Belly. I hope you become successful, popular, famous, हुन्छ नि एकदम पैसा कमाऊ त अनि मलाई पनि देऊ अलिकति पैसा हैन. I hope you achieve your dreams and be happy in future when you feel alone and lonely and you feel really, really bad from the inside. Never forget you have a friend, aka me, somewhere in this world. Don't hesitate to call me, Skype me, or Viber message pathai, no? Just remember I am here for you, Belly. I'm always here for you. And lastly, I wish I had a chance to be there with you right now, stand next to you, like hug you really tight and give you this gift with my own hands. I wish to stand in front of you and tell you how much I love you, Belly, how much I love you and miss you right now. I really, really love you, Belly. Thank you for being my friend. I, Belly, I really miss you. Happy birthday. And don't let anyone make you feel unworthy or make you feel that you're not special, because you are worthy for me and you are really, really special to me, Belly. And I hope future like we meet and I can do all the things I wanted to do with you. Make even more adventurous, funny, crazy memories with you. Happy birthday, Belly. Love you. Very emotional to one, eh? Friends forever, Belly. Forever and ever. Even after that. Bye, Belly. Love you. Happy birthday!